Hi, my name is Rashad Coleman. I'm a member of Waverly 4-H STEM Club. I'm in the 4th grade. This is a GPS science using world landmarks. Let's start off with Big Ben. Big Ben was built in 1843 and is located in London. Big Ben is 3,493.1 miles away to the Pyramid of Giza. The Pyramid of Giza was built in 2560 BC and is located in Egypt. The Pyramid of Giza is 1,608 miles away to the Galata Tower. The Galata Tower was built in 1348 and is located in Turkey. The Galata Tower is 1,658 miles to the Holland Windmill. The Holland Windmill was built in 1229 and is located in Holland. The Holland Windmill is 4,126 miles away to the Sears Tower. The Sears Tower was built in 1970 and is located in Chicago. The Sears Tower is 792 miles away to the Empire State Building. The Empire State Building was built in 1931 and the Empire State Building is located in New York. The Empire State Building is 4,121 miles to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa was built in 1372 and is located in Italy. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is 4,126 miles away to the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty was built in 1875 and is located in New York. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France in 1878 to the United States. And the Statue of Liberty is 3,462 miles away to Big Ben.
Hi, my name is Zoe Lashley, and this is my dog, Blue. I attend Midtown Academy. I'm in the 6th grade, and today I'm representing the Waverly Star Wars Club. Today I'm going to be telling you about the different layers of the Earth, which includes the inner core, outer core, mantle, and the crust. The crust, if you think about it, it is like pie crust. It's really thin, and it can break really easily. And the mantle is between the crust and the outer core. And the outer core is liquid. So if you think about it, it could be liquid pie filling. And the inner core is completely solid. I learned about this at my school with my teacher and my classmates. And I found this topic really interesting, so I wanted to share it with you.
Hello everyone, my name is Accord Adekula and I go to Waverly Elementary and Middle School and I'm in the 4th grade. So today what we're going to be doing is making water slime. So the ingredients you will need is salt, baking soda, and shampoo. I already poured shampoo in here already, and you need a bowl and a fork. So now we are gonna pour some water in here. Yeah, that's better. What we're gonna do is pour the baking soda. The baking soda has to be a little bit more than the salt. So first I'm gonna put the salt. Now for the baking soda. Now we're gonna open this and we're gonna pour this in there. Now you're done with that, you're gonna put this out over here and shake it again. Okay, now that we're done, you have to wait for 3 or 4 hours. So you guys have to go put it out in the sun. The white dragon.
Waverly, and I am part of the Waverly Star Wars 4-H Club STEM program. So today I'm going to be showing you my project that I put together. This is the photo of using a model lungs, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a model lungs, and and then I'm going to be showing you how they work. Seems about big enough. A lot of tape. You know, this is the map.
My name is Chloe Shepard, and today I will be talking about Misty Copeland. So, Misty Copeland was born September 10th, 1982. She is 38 years old, and she is the fourth of 6 siblings. Misty Copeland started dancing with her first dance instructor, Cindy Bradley. Eventually, she joined a dance school called American Ballet of Theater, which is also stand for ABT. Eventually, she was the first African American woman to be promoted to principal dancer. And a principal dancer is basically the high-ranked dancer, kind of like the person that does a lot of solos most of the time. Misty Copeland is now helping other people fulfill their dreams as a dancer, as an actor.
Hi everyone, today I will be reading you how I sized marshmallows. To determine if air will cause a marshmallow to expand, what happens when you heat a marshmallow? The marshmallow is flexible. Will it expand? Marshmallow 1. It expanded really big as it cooled. It shrunk back to normal size and still soft. Marshmallow 2. Large expansion melted, then started to burn, cooled, and deflated. Marshmallow 3. Didn't expand, it burned more and deflated, cooled, and totally hardened.
Good afternoon, folks. My name is Nehemiah Jones. I am 12 years old and I'm in the 6th grade. For my project, I created a slingshot. I used 4 pencils and 1 rubber band at the bottom and 2 erasers in the middle, and then 2 rubber bands on the top of the erasers. I used super glue for 2 of them, and then for the other 2 I did the same. And then I used 2 for the bottle cap for it to do this, and 2 to hold the rubber bands together. My slingshot at least goes to 10 yards.
Hello, and my name is Marissa. Today I'll be telling you about black holes. Black holes can form when old stars collapse because of the heat produced by the core. Once it has collapsed, it is now a black hole. Black holes are filled with an unknown substance called dark matter. Black holes have an extremely powerful gravitational pull, which is why they're so dangerous. We even have our own in the Milky Way galaxy. Once anything or anyone has entered the event horizon, otherwise known as the point of no return, there's no coming back. There are 3 kinds of black holes: primordial, stellar, and supermassive. If you fell into a stellar black hole, you'll break into pieces quickly. if you fell into a primordial black hole, then, well, they're very small. So everything will seem very dense and small. Black holes may not seem very interesting, but they're truly fascinating. Thanks for listening. Bye.
My name is Eka Marissa, and I'm going to be talking about what human life would be like on Mars. On Mars, because of the gravity difference, you'd feel up to 100 pounds less, and you actually might be a few pounds less because your bones would be smaller, and that would make you weigh less. It's also very healthy to have bright orange skin if you live on Mars, because bright orange skin protects you from UV light, and Mars has a lot of UV light. To make your skin a lot more orange, foods you can eat are carotenoids are foods you can eat, and they're foods like tomatoes or carrots or bell peppers or like potatoes or like sweet potatoes and pumpkins. I think a good way for food and water and oxygen and stuff you use to clean yourself could be delivered by using a tube that starts on Earth in a factory and then goes to a spaceship in between Earth and Mars. And in the spaceship, it makes sure that everything is clean and able to go on Mars and isn't moldy or anything. And then it sends it through a tube to Mars, refills everyone's oxygen tanks, makes sure everyone's clean, and makes sure nobody's sick. A fun fact about Mars is also that it has a bright blue sunset. Their sunset looks like our sky during the day without any clouds. And I think that Mars is a very interesting planet, and maybe one day will be the second planet that becomes habitable.